Taking on a weekend painting project seems like a fun way to refresh a room. But within a year, DIY walls often show peeling, fading, and chips. Here is exactly why a professional paint job outlasts amateur work every single time. A flawless finish has very little to do with the actual painting. Professionals spend the majority of their time on rigorous surface preparation, knowing that paint will never permanently adhere to dirty, dusty, or greasy walls. DIYers often try to paint over dents, nail holes, and cracks, hoping the color will hide the damage. Experts meticulously patch, sand, and caulk every imperfection to create an absolutely flawless, smooth canvas. Skipping the primer is a classic amateur mistake. Professionals use specialized primers formulated for specific surfaces to seal the drywall, block old stains, and create a strong chemical bond that grips the topcoat securely. Not all paint is created equal. Professionals rely on high-grade commercial paints packed with superior binders and rich pigments. These formulas resist fading, chalking, and heavy daily scrubbing far better than standard retail brands. Cheap rollers leave behind lint, and bargain brushes create harsh streaks. Experts invest in premium application tools matched perfectly to the paint type and wall texture, ensuring a thick, even coat without vulnerable thin spots. Painting is a skill built over thousands of hours. Professionals know exactly how to maintain a wet edge to eliminate ugly lap marks, applying the perfect thickness so the paint levels out completely smooth as it dries. Paint does not just dry, it chemically cures. Experts understand how indoor humidity, temperature, and airflow affect this curing process, ensuring the paint hardens into a durable shell rather than remaining soft and susceptible to peeling. Achieving perfectly straight lines where the wall meets the trim takes incredible precision. Professionals master the art of cutting in by hand, eliminating the messy paint bleeding that frequently ruins the look of amateur tape jobs. The combination of intense preparation, premium materials, and flawless execution results in a highly durable surface. A professional interior paint job is truly designed to survive heavy traffic, washing, and the test of time. Transform your home with a flawless finish that is built to last. For expert interior painting and professional remodeling services, visit bvcontractors.com or call us at 479-903-1630.